Can you define your trading system in a few sentences? If you can't, maybe keep watching this short series of videos to see how the ProcessTrading.com set of 4 indicators truly combine to make the very effective and profitable right edge system, a system that can be defined in a few sentences. Our next indicator in this series of introductory videos is PT Intergy, which stands for internal energy, where we'll be reading energy and reaping profits. Ideally, we could read price and volume and know how strong or weak a price move is going to be. We could tell whether it was the so-called mom and pop buying or the pros hopping on for a big move. Maybe some folks can quickly and, more importantly, accurately read price and volume, but I know in spite of years of practice, I had continued to look for that ideal picture. I'm no longer looking, as the picture that's worth that proverbial 1,000 words is PT Intergy. That's the picture that is showing me the strength of price movement, and more importantly, what's likely to happen next at a price peak or valley, and that's what we've all been searching for. The histogram format makes it very easy to interpret. No squinting. Green is bullish price energy. As the histogram gets taller, obviously the bullish energy is increasing. As bullish energy begins to taper off, the green turns to gray and the histogram gets shorter. When the bars turn red and dip below the midline, bearish energy is getting stronger. The farther they dip down, of course, the stronger the bearish energy. Let's take a look at some examples, and that will really show you how clearly PT Intergy is telling you, again, no squinting, how much energy is behind the bullish or bearish price movement. In that 11:30 to 11:45 time frame, if we just try to read price, it's not convincing us the move lower is over. We're getting lower lows, lower highs. But PT Intergy is saying that price move down is most likely over, and a move up is more likely. Here, we get a lower price, but we don't get bearish energy, as that is not nearly as strong as it was 10 minutes earlier. That's a great positive divergence of bearish PT energy and price, and a great counter trend trade. We can see here that PT VWAP, being yellow, is telling us it's an uptrend. Price declined about 130. In the afternoon, it's back to the recent lows. Maybe you're thinking you don't want to catch the proverbial falling knife and risk getting in here. This could be the start of a downtrend. No, PT Intergy says price declined, bearish energy could barely even make an appearance, and bullish green PT Intergy bars quickly reappear. A great, easy to read signal to go long. Another positive divergence between price and PT Intergy. This is a pullback. The uptrend's not over. A great spot to get back in on the uptrend that you can see is confirmed by the rest of the right edge system. Trade here? Yeah, that would have been good for 10 points in about 12 minutes. Let's take a quick look at the bearish downtrend type of example. It's going to appear different, as two different emotions are at work in bullish and bearish price moves. In bullish moves, greed is at work, and enthusiasm keeps adding new players not wanting to miss out. But Intergy can show us not all buyers have the same ability to commit resources. In bearish moves, fear rules, and that is much more of an anxiety-based reaction, and PT Intergy reflects that as the red histogram bars will dip deep, but they may not move in mirror images of what we'll call greed-driven bullish energy. Nonetheless, in a downtrend, I'm watching for that pull-up in price, so I can go short and once again trade with the trend, this time the downtrend. Here, right about the market open, about 9:30, price pulled up, and although there was a little green bullish energy, we know from watching PT Intergy that this is a weak display of bullish energy here. There was no follow-through, so an uptrend is just not going to happen. We're going to watch for the PT VWAP timing alert dot, which we then got, so a continuation of the move down is likely, and a short trade, if entered here, is a very high probability trade, again with the trend. This time, taking this trade could have been good for about 7 points in 10 minutes. Very easy to read, very much real time, not a lagging signal. And as you can see, when we combine the clear information from PT Intergy with the rest of the right edge system, the picture is now worth several thousand words and usually worth significant dollars. I hope you watched the Getting Started video and video 1 PTVWAP, and you're beginning to see how the indicators truly work together as a system. Thanks for watching PT Intergy. Next up, video 3, PT Sentiment Oscillator. I believe it's going to be worth your while to watch it, as I'll be defining another part of what I hope is shortly going to be not just my, but your right edge system.